about it. Everything about it.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Panchos Garage. As you can see, today it is raining outside, but no worries, we're inside the garage, so we got shelter from that. But today I don't necessarily have a plan. I just have a bunch of little things here and there that need to be done. Like as you guys saw right now, I started installing one of the T3 bump steer spacers. It's basically just two bolts. Goes right between the strut housing and this guy that connects to the rack. The tie rod goes there. So let's see, that's another thing I gotta do. Get the tie rod, put it in. And a bunch of just little things here and there, like the steering rack. I loosened it for some reason. As you can see there, it is loose. So I gotta tighten that up. And just a bunch of other things. On the inside, I started, so these little tabs, as you can see, they usually get painted. They're technically supposed to be black. To replace each one of these is pretty expensive. So as an alternative, I'm actually coating them in that liquid electrical tape. I remember watching a commercial many years ago where they got it like a hammer or something and dunked it into the electrical tape solution thing, and it made a little plastic handle for it. So I figured, oh, okay, that's pretty good. This one I already did a little while ago. It keeps its flexibility and it's nicely coated, so that's a nice little option if you want to do that. It's pretty cheap. So yeah, I did those over here and there. I just gotta wait till they dry. If they need another coat, I'll give it another coat. But yeah, no real plan today, just a bunch of little things. I gotta take the dash out, connect other stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that.
About it. Everything about it. I like everything about it.
Alright, so just as expected, the outer tie rod is touching the wheel right here. So the wheel can't even move left and right. I was gonna get a spacer anyways because of the clearance thing with the brake caliper as well. So the little spacer will take care of that. But yeah, it's actually on both sides. It's hitting. But anyways, oh, and I got this guy tightened up, so that's not moving around anymore. But yeah, so continuing on with the theme of today, I'm gonna go work on the interior of the car for a little bit.
Everything about it. Everything about it.
Those gauges are a little bit of a pain. But they're finally in. The Alcantara is like super tight, so these guys you have to kind of force them in. These guys were okay, just the alignment so that they sit flush here and there's no gaps. But pretty much it came out good. Let me show you. So yeah, I got the all white gauges on the Alcantara. I'll work on the wiring pretty soon and get other stuff going. But yeah, that's basically the state of the project. It's just a bunch of little things that need to be done here and there to get it where it needs to be. I'm gonna focus right now on the AC, the wiring, stuff like that for a minute till it's done, and then go from there. But anyways, that's gonna do it for this one. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.